The next drawing that we're going to do, we're going to draw multi-line text first, and we're going to choose snap, turn on snap, and we're going to come here, right? Or the height, we're going to make it 4 millimeters. So we come up here and we change it to 4. All right, so we're going to label capital letters to construct a square given the diagonal. So the diagonal, the, the diagonal equals 70 millimeters, okay? Okay, the first thing we're gonna draw is our diagonal AC. So we're gonna go up to our construction layer, I'm gonna change this to construction, all right? Then we're gonna draw a line to represent 70 millimeters. So we're gonna click here, gonna click there, and we're gonna draw a line 70 millimeters, enter, all right? The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bisect this line. Now, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna label it so you can follow along. So, single line text, to change our text layer, we're gonna go single line text. We're gonna turn off the snap. And the height, we're gonna make it at 8, rotational angle 0. And this would be A, capital letters A. This would be C. All right. We're gonna move the C down a bit so it is in line with the A. All right, so we're gonna come down about there. Good. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're going to bisect the line AC, okay? So radius greater than half the length of the line, we're gonna draw an arc above and below. So we're gonna come here, center, we're gonna mark an arc. The line is 70 millimeters long, so greater than half would be 35. So a radius, a distance greater than 35 could be 45 millimeters. So we're gonna draw an arc there. We're gonna come here again. Come here. And we're gonna mark 45. Enter. Good. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, all right? So we're gonna go arc, center at C, radius 45, enter. There it is. We're going to do the same thing from C, but above the line. So we're going to come here, center, start, end. What we're doing, we're bisecting the line AC. So we go 45, enter. Good. Where those two arcs intersect, both above and below the line, when you draw this should be construction. When you draw a line through the intersection, so draw a line from the intersection to the next intersection. This line is a bisector, all right? So we can actually extend it a little bit beyond the intersection. That's how a bisector is drawn. All right? So what we did, we bisected the line AC. All right, the next, so this point where the bisector intersect the line AC, that would be O. So we're going to go to our text layer, and we're going to go single line text, and we're going to label right here O. So height 8, rotational angle 0. We're going to label this as O. Enter. What we're going to do, we're going to move it down. So we're going to go move. All right, good. Now, where the perpendicular, which is this line, intersect the line AC, right? That is the intersection of this of the point O, and the circle drawn from O, radius A, that would be the radius for the circle. So we can actually go now, circle, and we need to turn on object snap. So center, to pick up the center, the radius will be at A, right? Now, where the bisector intersect the circle, this would be the corner for the circle. So we can actually extend this a little bit. Can extend the bisector, right? So where the bisector intersect the circle, that would give us D and B. So let us label that. So we're on a text layer, so we're going to single line text, right? We're going to turn off object snap, and we're going to click. So we're going to go single line, we're going to go to text layer, we're going to go to single line text, and we're going to choose right here. And this point would be B. This point would be B, all right? This point down here would be D, all right? So where the bisector intersect the circle, those are the points for the square. So we need to turn on object snap to pick up the intersection. So there to there to there to there to there, enter. This is a required square, right? So we can actually put the square now on the construction, the outline layer, right? This will be the required square given the diagonal, okay? All right, so we have completed this one, so good job if you got it correct. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a square given the diagonal, and in today's video, the length of the diagonal was 70 millimeters. In the next video, we'll be looking at the first angle projection. So we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again. And at CAD with You, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we truly thank you for joining us. So take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.